So welcome students. In this question, you're given that the angle between this line and this plane is cos inverse of root of 5 by 14. So what is lambda? So now, what is the direction of the first line? What is the direction of the given line? X by 1 is equal to y minus 1 by 2 is equal to z minus 3 by 1. So the direction of the first line is 1, 2, lambda. These are the direction ratios of the line. Now, what are the direction ratios of the normal to the plane? 1, 2, 3. So you have the plane, you have the line, you have the normal to the plane. So if you want the angle between the line and the plane, so if you want this angle, so if this angle is theta, this angle is nothing but 90 minus theta. So cos of 90 minus theta is nothing but the dot product of these two vectors by magnitude of this vector into magnitude of this vector. That is 1 plus 4 plus 3 lambda divided by root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, that is 9, 10, 14 into root of 1 square plus 2 square plus lambda square, that is lambda square plus 5. This implies sin theta is equal to 5 plus 3 lambda divided by root of 14 times 5 plus lambda square. So this is the value of sin theta. But it's given that the value of cos theta is root of 5 by 14. It's given that theta is cos inverse of root of 5 by 14. So it's given that cos theta is equal to square root of 5 by 14. So if you take the triangle, so if this is theta, this is root 5, this is root 14. So what is the opposite side? Root of 14 minus 5 is 9, that is equal to 3. So if cos theta is root of 5 by 14, what is sin theta? 3 by root 14. So this should be equal to 3 by root 14. So now we need to solve for lambda. So let us square it on both sides and cross multiply. So 25 plus 9 lambda square plus 30 lambda times 14 is equal to 9 times 14 times 5 plus lambda square. So 14 and this 14 gets cancelled. So 9 lambda square and 9 lambda square also gets cancelled. So effectively you have 30 lambda plus 25 is equal to 9 5s are 45. This implies 30 lambda is equal to 45 minus 25 is 20. So lambda is equal to 2 by 3 is the answer to this question. Thank you.